Is it homework time, guys?
Yeah.
You doing your homework? Yeah? You threw the bag? Where's the bag? You doing your homework, Josh? Okay, finish doing your homework.
I did it. I cut the bee out, so I gotta cut this airplane out.
You put them in the book, Josh.
No.
Open your book.
No.
Josh, you're supposed to put Mickey Mouse in the book.
No. That's so fun.
Open your book.